Alright guys, I'm letting go of my prized Swirly Air Force Firebird. This thing is gorgeous and I really hate to see it go, but got some people getting in some hard spots. I'm trying to help some people out, so gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's get you guys start time. Start time at 6:53. 6:53. PayPal proof. There you have it. Joey, Kenny, and Blake all in right there. Alright, let's head over to random. Alright, security lock. Details. Secure. Let's go ahead and view that certificate. There it is. Checks out. Alright, get you guys a couple refreshes. 1 and 2. Alright, we got 5 spots. Let's spin the wheel, get a winner. Winner's gonna be number 2. Alright. Congratulations, number 2. Let's get you guys a winning timestamp. Let's see. Winning time is 6:54. 6:54. All right, let's check out and see who number 2 is. Number 2 is going to be Joey. Congratulations, Joey. Shoot me a PM after you see this video. I'll get that to you. Go ahead and get you guys an end timestamp. Make this official. End time at 6:55. 6:55.